Okay, hey y'all, it's Emily, and today I'm packing for a vacation. Actually, I guess it's a vacation. I'm packing for a trip to the beach. So I'm spending the week, Thanksgiving week, at the beach with my family. And so of course if you're going somewhere you gotta pack, and so this is going to be my packing video. Also, it is 10 o'clock at night, the day before I'm leaving, so I have to pack everything tonight, and then tomorrow I'll pack the things that I'm going to be using between tonight and before I leave. So this will probably take over the course of 2 days, but mostly today. Also, the birds are chirping. So yeah, I'm just gonna pack. You've seen a few packing videos before. I have packing cubes, I have random bags, I have little travel containers, and let's just get started. That sounded so unenthusiastic. I swear I want to do this, but it's the end of the day and I'm tired and I've been busy, which is the only reason I'm able to pack now instead of earlier. So let's go. So first, these are the travel product containers that I'm going to be using. They're from Kitsch. So I have a few travel containers already, but I didn't think I had enough, so I got some more. So we have some of these little product containers, a little like soap nozzle bottle, a little spray bottle, and a little like kind of squirt-ish knob bottle, and then 2 little like just containers for whatever. So I'm gonna fill them with product right now. So I already have a few done. So we got body wash, hair stuff, soaps, whatever. So those will go in my cosmetics bag, I guess. And then I have these that I want to condense, put into a smaller container. So I really don't need to put like these into smaller containers, but like it does save a little bit of space, and it makes them all like matchy and cute.